let me show you a powerful tool that will let you look up the bills right in your pocket and see if they're worth more than face value. You'll just go to this website here. This will bring you to VarietyErrors.com. You can click Check Banknote Values, and it'll bring you to this page. Just scroll down a bit to input your series year, the denomination for your banknote, and type in the serial number, or you can upload a picture, which will scan the banknote, and then click Analyze Asset Rarity to get values and info on your note. Does it let you look up star notes and fancy serial numbers? Yeah. Here's the value of a star note replacement note here, breaking down its production run and everything you need to know about it, including the values based on real sales. Does it let you look up $2 bills? Yeah. Here's the value of a newer $2 note, but you can look up any of them from the past from 1928 all the way to current, including bicentennial $2 bills. Does it let you look up older bills? Yeah. Here's an early 2000s $10 bill showing that even older notes that are a little beat up can still get a couple bucks above face value. Those really crisp ones can be worth hundreds though. Does it let you look up random money from the ATM? Yeah. Even some of those regular bills right out of the ATM can be worth great money over face value. This is a regular $20 bill, but there's many fancy serial numbers that can be worth hundreds, if not thousands in good condition. The ATM is a great way to find bills out in the wild. Check out the tool on VarietyErrors.com and post your results across social media.